Imiphumela yolibofuzo isiqinisekisile ukuthi isidumbu esatholakala emfuleni waseHambanathi eNyakatho yeTheku esomfana okade efunda umatikuletsheni uAndile Bobo Mbuthu. Umndeni wakhe uthole lezindaba nje abasolwa abayisikhombisa abathweswe icala lokuthumba nokubulala bebevele eNkantolo yemanje yaseVerulam.
Abasolwa abayisithupha bavele eNkantolo ngohlelo lwezokuxhumana ngevideo besejele laseWestville. Kulabasolwa kubalwa umnikazi wendawo yokucima ukoma umlungisi Thabethe kanye nezisebenzi zakhona ezinhlanu uAndile Nhleko, umncedisi Mzobe, uSiyanda Msweli, uLindani Ndlovu kanye nomcebisi Mthembu. Labalisa babonakale bengakhombisi ukuthi bayayisola noma cha ngalesi senzo kanti lolu daba lihlehlisiwe ukuze bafake isicelo sebheyili. Umsolwa wesikhombisa ongaphansi kweminyaka uvele yedwa eNkantolo yemanje yaseVerulam yena uhoxile ekufakeni isicelo sebheyili kanti ugcinwe endaweni ephephile. Umphakathi waseHambanathi wakhombisa ukuthukuthela kwawo ngemva kokusabalala kwevideo kushaywa uMbuthu. Manje umndeni usungakwazi ukwenza amalungiselelo omncwabo.
The family has already received the DNA test results. However, they specify that it's the boy, it's Bobo himself, because the percentage is around 100%. If I can just say, they told us that it's 99.9%, of which clearly it's him. So what we're going to do as the way forward from now, we need to consult properly with the legal department, then take it from there so that we can proceed with the arrangements of the funeral.
Abasolwa bazophinde bavele eNkantolo mhla zimbili kuNhlangulana.